Alright. Audio testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, that sounds all fine. Cool, so I can now mute stream so I can hear myself think. Alright. So, it's been a while. I think the best way to get started is to explain what the hell I've been doing for the last 2 weeks. Well, I have been working on a lot of the background processes. I have been, honestly, more cosmetic stuff than anything. Let me just lower the volume on my headphones. Oh, actually, there is one thing I need to do. Actually, no, wait, never mind. I was about to say, I was going to shout at someone who followed, but that was a friend of mine who hasn't followed me for a while, so... Oh. Anyway, so... music changes, the level music has been changed around, the title screen music has been changed, this song's been unchanged. If I pause, I'm pretty sure it's going to break, because that is the thing I'm going to be working on this stream. Loading takes a while. To be fair, I have also recently upgraded my RAM on this PC from 16 to 24 gigabytes, and streaming has probably also made it use a whole lot more. There we go. This computer is crying in pain. Oh well. Oh, actually, pausing doesn't break. There are some skills here that are just pure testing, which I'll show you in a bit. Unfortunately, this is just a tutorial screen, and it's the easiest way to show this off. Over to the fight. Now the fight starts. That happens sometimes, I'm not sure why. And also, music cuts out way too early and fix that. There we go. So, in the battle. There are a few more skills than before. These are purely for testing purposes. For example, invincibility. These won't be in the final game. This is purely just to debug things. Statuses are in the game, so you can't see at the moment, but a lot of visual clarity is going on. So, running animation has changed, so you don't have to jump back and forth. Crits kind of happen more often. Passive effects now show off those little particles, so because what happens with this character is when they're hit, they gain attack and magic. After they're hit, they'll then gain an attack and magic boost. If I do poison, the enemy is poisoned, they should take some damage. I don't know why electricity did nothing. Nice damage is so poison to a fair amount of damage. I don't think it's updated properly though. Burn. He is now poisoned and on fire. Invincibility wore off after a few turns, as it should. Then on invincibility again. There you go. Oh, poison. Oh no, poison does trigger, but it's not as ferocious as it should be. I never got to this part of the song. Shock. Which basically means it can miss turns. So this is going to be kind of a dramatic hit after this. Mute. Basically means I can't use magic. have to rely on physical attacks. Or their basic attack. Wow, I have a lot of mana left. Yeah, okay, if this does a crit, it's not going to be a big defense. Are we actually doing a whole lot of damage? I don't know. It doesn't seem like I'm doing a whole lot. Yeah, my damage isn't going up. Oh no. Don't tell me it's bugged out. Yeah, okay, I think damage is bugged out. At least it hasn't broken everything. But as you saw, because there's a path of healing, you saw those other healing particles at the end. That is basically a holdover from when this game was an action game and I had that is all implemented. Unfortunately, that had to be unimplemented. Oh no, it is doing more damage. Let's see. I should just be able to keep hitting this one. Yeah, okay, so damage is going up, but there's a cap. Still not sure why enemies run up to you. Get 27 damage. And finally, 25. Yeah, okay, so it is doing more damage. So it's just that one enemy wasn't doing a whole lot? That's weird. Okay. So that's fine. Enemies now move. They just have no animation, so it looks really hokey. I will have to fix that in time. Invisibility.
Just stop and turn around.
Dodge checks happen first anyway. Dodge checks happen first anyway. Dodge checks happen first enemy. Okay, that was kind of funny. I want to see if I can get shock to work. Yes, there's a 100% chance of doing it in debug. Yeah, okay, so is it hit-based, or did I actually do a turn-based? Because I forget if I have a manual tick happening every hit or every turn. Okay, it's every turn.
Just stop and turn around.
There you go! So that worked! That was all that testing I wanted to check out. So, let's over to Visual Studio, where I'm going to be dealing with the Wars menu. Oh boy, this is going to be a nightmare and a half. So, the way this is happening is that when you load in, it does a check for what's in your party. You've got demo, you've got character 1, you've got character 2, so on and so forth. And depending on where they are on this list, basically determines if they are hello, no, no, that's wrong. That's very much wrong. Yeah, that's very, 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 very much wrong. Whoops. What's check flag do again? It's been a while since I've been doing this. Which is kind of the problem when doing everything by yourself, and it gets all kind of topsy-turvy. Let me... check flag. Oh! Oh, that's a debug thing. I don't have to worry about that. Okay. So what's going to happen here is this entire block. Why do I have some flags happening? Or and or. Yeah, that's not exactly helpful. Check flag, yeah. That. Don't have to worry about debug because it's going to be debug. So if I had Leah, Rain, and Liana, the order would be Leah into Liana into Rain. So, oh, that's actually really easy. So if I do it's current party. No, it's not. It's actually it's this is unimplemented for a very good reason. So if I do saving dot art members equal new. There you go. That. If I do yeah, that's all just so let me give that a proper name so it's not just it's if I do unit ref, which is not even better, but I think just units is a bit vague. It was... let's switch statement. I thought I made it. Oh no. So it's units ref add really? This is why you have to read what you're doing. Otherwise it's all a mess. There you go. So now I can add then saving dot party members demo So now this means I just do this. It will add to a save file. I'm gonna have to think before I talk. It will add to a list, which I will then use to determine what weapons are going to be shown. Because each one of these characters have their own weapon, with their own level ups and their own skills. Yeah, that's fine. And there you go. So now this is going to be a pain to do this. If I do, I want a variable that that returns a number that I'm passing. If I do set player, I think before I do anything, I don't int, but return player stat. No. Saving dot party. No, not even that, because I've already got it selected in a different variable. So I just need to know type. Int part zero will be attack, 1 will be magic attack, 2 will be defense, 3 will be magic defense, 4 will be speed, 5 will be evasion, I think that's that. Oh. So, which bar type case 0 case 1 pretty boring. I am basically recreating what's down below, just so I can make things a bit down the line. So we got 6, because there are 7 stats. Cool. I do. 10. party. Selected, I believe. Pico move. Does this turns that? And just so fails. Attack. Oh, not that one. Death. Evasion. But I really shortened weird things. Okay, so now that return stats. So, player, I don't actually have to do that anymore. Go set play date. Yeah, I don't have to do that anymore. Because that automatically did it for me. 1 variable that's wrong. All kind of rigged. 0. Zero. What? Oh, Pardon me? Why do I have that twice? The stats. Oh no, that still makes no sense. I don't use players. Oh. Very cool. Let's see. Attack. Magic attack. Oh, actually, we'll keep that for now because we do need to replace that. Magic defense, which is 3. Speed, which I believe is 4. Base 7. Current party. Current member. element. Right. Elem. That's not an int. So I don't have to do that int. And 7. And if I change it back to element, that should all be fine. Now I have to handle the actual handling the weapon. That's going to be a pain in the butt. Alright, so try that. Wait. Why is weapon? Why is that public? Only references in here. Why public? Private. Load skills. In the same place. Why is it public? Rule of thumb is to make sure everything is private as it can be. Okay, I'm just gonna go party. Sure. So now this should return something. So now this is going to be returning an int. This will be requiring an int, and I'm just doing the same convention as before, which is file type. 0, just stop the error. And what it's going to be 0 is equal to weapon attack, and is equal to weapon magic. 2 is equal to armor defense. 3 is equal to armor magic defense. 4 is equal to... No. Did I? Oh, no. Yeah. 4 is equal to utility. No. Hello. Am I forgetting something about how I handle my weapons? Pretty sure armor had max HP. Pretty sure it was handling max HP. Loaded. Huh. No, there's no cool for max HP. Okay, well that just made things easier for me. There you go. It's a utility evasion. 5 is for utility accuracy. So, if I do switch, not her party, it's what do I call it? It's ref. I'm gonna have to call it Sankos. No, don't build. I didn't mean to hit that. I didn't build. Yeah, it's trying to build, but I didn't want it to build, so that's fine. So if I do no units ref per member case saving dot party members. Let's start with demo. Here we go. Break. Demo for saving party. Actually, no, I could just put them together. No. So, if I then do full weapon, full data, chosen whip, armor, full data, chosen arm, and utility, full data, chosen utility. There you go. So that'll be chosen saving dot chosen arm equal saving dot armor, and chosen till equals saving dot ability. Let's go with that. Then, because I've now selected something, I'll also do a default chosen equal saving dot chosen saving dot chosen armor, and chosen till equals saving dot chosen ability. Then I do a switch statement based on the var type. Great, thank you. Switch 0, case 0, tired, break, and I just do this 6, 4, 5 more times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and default, return 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then saving dot chosen web dot attack hub final damage you doing. Turn chosen leap. Doesn't help that I've basically passed this. Defense. Turn chosen arm dot defense. Turn chosen till dot evasion, and finally return chosen till dot chosen till dot accuracy. And now I have to do some correction. So we're probably going to need some current experience. That's current experience level, max level. So I just do this calculation again. It's down here actually. So we want to grab the right thing. So 2 will be weapon EXP, 3 will be weapon max EXP, 4 will be level. Is there anything else we call for? Or the weapon? Actually, we don't want it to show the main skill, because that's going to be the draw of the game, unlocking skills. Elements, that's one. Because we're going to have to bring it back. So if we're going to do 5 equal element, or weapon element, and then we can do it again. So that is 6. That is 6 different variables I need just to return the appropriate detail. So it's 6 armor def. Seven armor mag F. This will be armor XP. Armor. Let's make sure I update it. It's gonna hit like 70. Yep. 8. 9. Then we get to 10. Armor. And 11. Well, actually, it's gonna hit 17. Armor. Actually, no, we don't take into account the armor. The armor doesn't have an element. So I can actually ignore that. So, yeah, actually, we only need 11 for util evasion, 12 for utility accuracy, for util XP, 14, till, and then till. Actually, that kind of works out nice. Utility. So defense 6. There's 7. This is on 11. It's on 12. Oh boy, this just got so much more complicated. So quick. Hello, why don't I have my stream up on YouTube? There you go. Right, okay, so let's... This is going to be so boring. That's coding in a nutshell, I guess. 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is for her XP. Yeah, experience. Max experience. Level. And then element. My element. Converted to an integer. Then that's fine, that's fine. 8 and 9. This is for EXP, so experience. Then it's max experience. I have to just copy this over. 10, and then level. And then finally we have experience, and level. So let's see, it's 13, 14, 15. Experience, max experience, and then level. Oh, so that is that. Oh boy, this is going to take a while. I'm going to have to copy this over just to make sure. So it's only doing debug character at the moment, so that's fine. Gonna have to. You can get rid of this. Because we never used it in the first place. Turn weapon data. Turn 0. Oh, this is going to be fun. One. Oh, I've got underneath actually. So defense is... Did I? No, I didn't forget speed. No, I would have forgotten speed. Sure. 6 and 7. Ooh, now the fun part, where I have to now add in everything. Let me also just do a quick if chosen equal null return 0. Because there is no point turning something that doesn't exist. So while you can have a weapon at all times, there is a chance you might not have a side option. Which means that all this has to be checked and returned as null. Right. Display weapon. Let me check something. Bench reload. So now, it should load the appropriate weapon and the appropriate character. If I pause, or it will break. Let's roll that dice and see if I did this right. Okay. Okay, okay. It's not done this, but that's what I expect. Because that's not right. If I go into... Yeah. That matches pretty nicely. I don't know why I like this song so much. Because what a lot of the songs at the moment are rock based, and this one's the only rap one. I just like it. I just took a break, I'm on pause, still undefeated. I am half tempted to use that song as the actual break screen. That'd actually be kind of funny. Give me one moment while I grab a drink. Now, get back to it. So let's see. Right, I was dealing with weapons. Blood player skills. That. Interesting one. Because that's being scrapped. Because skills determined by the weapon. No, it won't be actually. There will be a couple of skills that are innate. Okay, so. And weapon data. So. The weapon. And weapon. Oh no, I can't do that. I have to do. Ooh. Weapon to be determined. Attack will be return to 0. Maybe return weapon data 1. Skill that return data this is for experience. That is I've got it in order anyways. It's 3. No, 2. Bind into 1. Actually, no, it can't be. An element would be weapon data 5. But turn it back into an element. Okay. So the only thing I need to have something that does a name, which I can do. It's very similar to how I just did the weapon, but instead of returning an int, now returning a string. But is a good. Can't return it as an int. Unless I can't do it like that. That wouldn't make any sense. Right, pause. So DVD, yeah, level 6. Attack 20, magic attack 20. No experience, so has 113 and has no elements.
I just took a break, I'm on pause. Still undefeated, the boss. I just took a break, I'm on pause. Still undefeated, the
some space.
Just know I ain't gonna, I ain't lost.
So if I go back into, I don't have that. Still, I don't get. So canvas, UI. Full screen, desktop, full screen, main body, buttons, oh, statistics, statistical information. So, I then open it up, I then do armor, level 1, def 10, mdef 10, XP max 0, 100. Then I do ability, TD level 2. Want to make sure this is working. Eva 10, AC 5, XP max 0. Ooh! Ooh, very, very, very nearly. Very nearly it's perfect. Oh. Okay. If I go into themes. Not intro, I want the actual tutorial. Take 5 years to load. There you go. If I go into here, no. Canvas, UI, full screen, desktop, main menu, statistics, stats. We want this to be 8. And if I do level 5, 4, attack 10, attack 10, EXP max XP 0 out of 100, armor E level 3, def 5 or 4, 5, mdef 8, EXP. Max. EXP. 0. 100. Utility. Utility. T. Yeah, sure, 87, let's do that. Eva. 0. Ac. 0. EX. Max. XP. 0. And that should look like that. Ah, but I did forget to element so peaked up just a little bit. There you go. Now it looks fine. I'll then this on a head. Here, need to double check. Go. I need to double check that I'm actually going to the right scene, which thankfully I've been on top of the entire stream. So, let's this. I want this to be a plus. Armor. Full level. 10. Defense. 6. Seven. Yeah. Experience 8 and 9. Finally, we want the utility. This utility to be determined. Level is 15. I guess you're 11. Oh, 13, 14. Evasion. And yeah, that works out. So now I have to do this. And there's no way I can encode a string as a single integer, because that's straight up not how it works. Oh no, friends, gonna play League again. We just broke free and it seems like we're all gonna be dragged back against our will. Thankfully I can just string. I don't have to do anything else. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Int bar type. Switch. Return saving dot. Oh, and there's got to be another switch. There's a switch on switch action here. Which I think I would understand how to work. Not 0. Return saving dot. Not my rarity, not my effect, not my visual. Series, there you go. Case 10 series case return. Oh. No, actually, yeah, no, I had it there the first time. It's grabbing more data than it really should be. But that's fine, because we don't really need it to do much else. Chosen util series. Chosen series. And finally save chosen series. Then default return let's do unequipped. If chosen null, return unequipped. If chosen armor is equal to null, return intel. And if chosen util null, that. There we go. Should be fine. So now instead of having TBD, we can actually do plus. So, got one. Oh, good at. There you go. Accept mode. Tool. Alright. I think it's time to see if that's actually working now. It's definitely working. But it's better to test it out and make sure it's working rather than, oh, is it working? I'm just going to leave it to the last minute because that's what students always did. They always did fix things up and then do one teeny change, unaware that they broke something, and so it broke. And so it was a nightmare to fix. Totally not from experience or anything. Yep, that's the view. I listen to the song so much. I know it's AI generated, but listening to songs over and over again. Okay, on street.
Ay, ay. Pause. 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 Ay, 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 ay.
Oh.
Pause. 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 I just took a break, I'm on pause. Still undefeated, the boss.
Oh, did I? Hold on.
Still undefeated, the boss. Ay, ay, ay. Just know I
Did it actually not get the right name? I'm gonna be mad. 'Cause it shouldn't say winning. 'Cause that's what I chose for the weapon. That's what I chose for the weapon.
ay, ay.
Hello. Hello. So, open data, that's fine. It should be reading from here. So why is the weapon called winning? Oh, don't tell me it's done what I think it's done. Oh no, I think I know what it's done. Oh no, you've got to. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. Now I have a problem. Oh, thank goodness. I was about to be really worried for a second. It should be this. It should be pulling this. But I think because it was Oh! Because it was pulling the data from a non-existent area. Oh. That's why. So it should don't work. This might also explain why there's a lot of missing damage happening. Come on. Hey, that looks better. Yes! Okay, so that was the issue. It was just reading from the wrong area. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Getting some feeling for the character, which I don't want it to be doing.
I just took a break, I'm on pause. Still undefeated, the boss.
Why can't I select you? Fade. No. Something else is happening. No, something is interrupting. Pause. Can I just see? There we go. The other things are getting in the way. Can I visualize? Oh wow, that is... What? Excuse me? Duck skill. You're pulling from the right area. Oh. Okay. Whoops. So, what's happening there is that it's unbinding itself. Uh-oh. This should be immediate. That kind of explains why it was freaking out. I think I did that because it was timing out. Oh no, it was the opposite of timing out. The race condition. It was entering a race condition. So I thought, okay, I'll just slow it down. So then it would delete over time. I won't use it resources.
just took a break, I'm on pause.
Content.
Still undefeated, the boss. I just took a
Single
break, I'm on
content.
pause. Ay, ay. Boss. 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 Ay, 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 ay. Boss. 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 I just took a break, I'm on pause. Still undefeated, the boss. I just took a break, I'm on pause. Still undefeated, the boss. Ay, ay, ay. Just know I ain't gone, I ain't lost. And now I'll still like characters.
Okay, next up, I forgot to change to the other screen. God damn it. That's fine, that's fine. Load skills. Ah, God sakes. Now I have to do the same thing. Private and return skills. Thankfully, switch per member. This is actually really easy. Let's do case saving dot actually no, it has to be refuse. It's ref. And then we do saving dot my party. No, it's wait a second. Saving dot party members dot demo followed by case saving dot party true. Oh, yeah. So turn weapon basically. Gonna be turn. Actually, no, it can't be an int. It has to be list. Active RPG skill. Data has got skills. Turn alien dot case default return saving dot chosen weapon current score. Just collate this audio. I do list temp equal add this, that should no temp. Yeah, that should clear up fine. Alright. I will also for each active skill oh no, that's fine, that's fine. I return to learn. You're private, aren't you? Dict int children temp to learn dot add range saving dot unlock it. To learn equal break. Then for each Oh, how would I do this? T value. Oh, it's not even giving it to me. Oh, wow. Active. RPG skill. In. Oh, that actually works. If really value collection. I have to ease. Key collection. Then add. Oh, God. List active skill to return add skill. If ooh. Ah. Oh no, okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. Key value pair. So, reach key value pair int active in attempt to learn. List. Go. Ah, am I just overcomplicating it? Temp. Oh, whoops. skill dot value. There you go. If key, well, if skill dot key is less than attempt to full weapon full data weapon temp weapon saving weapon weapon temp weapon level continue else oh and temp weapon new temp weapon saving dot truth. And then finally return to return. That then means go up over here. For each. Temp skills for each active RPG skill in temp skills. It's going to be the same process, except interactable false. So now, back to the screen. Thank goodness I'm finishing up now because I'm back. There we go. Demo 11. Now, loading.
Ay, ay. Pause. 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 Ay, 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 ay. Pause. 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 I
Does it error now?
pause.
Is that just because I've given you
Defeated the boss. Just took a break, I'm on pause. Still undefeated the boss. Ay, ay, ay. Just know I ain't gone, I ain't lost. And now I'll step out of character and speak to you in my voice. Step out of character and speak to you in my real voice. Oh my god, it's the end of the game, dude. The screen's
Really?
black. Just know I ain't gone, I ain't lost. You can press
Oh,
pursue
whoops.
what you want, or save it and come back tomorrow. Either way, you gon' see me for sure. Got a war to win, got a world to save, got a kingdom to rule, got a song to play. Just know that I'm on your way. Until you come back, I just needed a break. I just took a break, I'm on
It doesn't
pause.
have anything,
Still
so it
undefeated,
can't
the
learn
boss.
anything. Let me just quickly fix this. No, I can't fix because then I have to. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there for now. I've made a lot more progress than I think, and theoretically it should be working. But I don't want to break it now. I need to go to bed. So, yeah, that's a lot I've done. Jesus. Yeah, how long have I been streaming for? It should tell me on GameLabs. I have been streaming for about 2 hours. Christ. Right.